Welcome aboard, tourists. We're heading to Capri. Hey YouTubers, it's Scott, and on today's itinerary, our journey starts in Naples at Molo Beverello, the main ferry port right at the base of the cruise terminal. From here, it's roughly a 45 to 60 minute high-speed ferry ride to Capri, about 20 miles south of Naples. Fair warning, the morning crossing can get very bumpy, so if you're prone to motion sickness, plan ahead. In addition to the ferries to Capri, Molo Beverello will also be your departure point for any ferries you need to get to Positano, Sorrento, or anywhere else on the Amalfi Coast. We arrived at Marina Grande, the island's main ferry port and the heart of day trip tourism. Since it was my first time here, and Capri can be chaotic, crowded, and pricey to navigate, I booked a guided tour. After arriving in Capri, our group took a bus to the southern side of the island, where we were greeted by manicured gardens, dramatic cliffs, and those postcard-perfect Mediterranean views. For destinations with limited transportation and heavy tourism, a tour can save you time, stress, and a surprising amount of money. It takes a lot of the stress and planning out of it, and Capri is absolutely one of those places where you can benefit from such an arrangement. If you've been to Santorini, the vibe is similar. Stunning, but highly touristed and very packed during the day. A friend of mine once told me Capri is a magical place after the day trippers leave, and I believe her. She recommended staying overnight because the evenings are calm, elegant, and almost serene. Unfortunately, that didn't fit my itinerary this time, but it's absolutely worth considering for next time and for you. Next, our guide gave us time to explore Capri Town's luxury shopping district. Think Chanel, Dolce & Gabbana, Tag Heuer. After wandering the boutiques, I grabbed a seat at a cafe and enjoyed a refreshing limoncello. From there, we headed up to Anacapri, the quieter, more elevated part of the island. It's home to the famous Monte Solaro Chairlift, a single-seat lift that glides you up to the highest point on Capri. It can feel a little unnerving if you're worried about dropping your phone, but the ride is peaceful and the views are unreal. It was chilly at the top that morning, but the day warmed up beautifully. Anacapri is known for its artisan workshops, traditional ceramics, and of course, its legendary lemons. One thing worth reiterating, Capri's taxis and private transfers can be extremely expensive due to the island's size and limited road network. By booking a tour, all the major transportation, ferries, buses, and transfers were all bundled into one price, which made the day much smoother. And again, as you can see here, when the sun came out later in the day, it was beautiful on the way down. After returning from the chairlift, I wandered Anacapri a bit more before grabbing lunch. Again, tons of boutiques, tons of shopping, very walkable, very pleasant. Then we boarded a boat for a full island cruise. Originally, the plan included the Blue Grotto, a famous sea cave known for its glowing electric blue water. But the grotto often closes when tides or waves make the entrance unsafe, and that was the case during our visit. Instead, we circled the island by boat, and honestly, it was phenomenal. Towering cliffs, hidden coves, and the iconic Faraglioni rock formations. It was a highlight of the entire day. While on the boat tour, I had a chance to take some really cool photos that I think turned out okay. It was a lot of fun. Definitely a bummer about missing the Blue Grotto, but given the waves on the ferry there, I figured that was a distinct possibility. Fortunately, it was still a lot of fun, and we returned to Marina Grande shortly thereafter. After the cruise, we caught the ferry back to Naples, and I enjoyed a relaxing evening in the city. If you enjoyed tagging along for this day trip, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and engage with all of the content. More from this trip is coming up soon. Thanks for hanging with me, and happy travels.